ye Abba Marcus mayanja yavuddeyo n'ayanukula omukulu Sendi ye yasazeewo okwanukula buli omu eyavaayo n'amukolera aka video. Ngenda kuba mbibaweeraawo mu maaso mu bujjuvu naye nga gwatanaba subscribing mukwano nsaba soko subscribing, liking eno video, sharing, commenting, ateekako notification bell ako akadde weteekayo video obeerenga togisubwa. Ba returning subscribers mbagala nnyo akensuso kyemukola kyakabinyo baddia era mbasaba temujjangu okwo bamikwano munange live Abba Marcus gye yakola nagikozeeko video era video eri awo wansi osobola okuddayo n'ogiraba naye nerabidde okuteekamu omukulu Sendi eri video erimu ba full figure Kasuku Bajjo Abitex Tamale Junior naye nerabidde okuteekamu Sendi omwami Sendi kubanga yayanukudde abantu bangi ababavaayo ne bamukolera video. So munange omukulu Sendi yali ku channel ya Kasuku navaayo nayogera ku ezo ensonga za Abba Marcus eyo video gyavaayo n'akola nga anyonyola ku bulwadde bwa taata we. So munange ye Sendi yagamba yebaza omwana kubanga avuddeyo n'ayogera ku nsonga z'obulwadde bwa taata we naye n'amuwa amagezi buno ensonga za family teyandizirese mu public, at least yandigenze n'akwata taata we n'ayogera naye privately oba bajjajjaabe n'ayogera nabo privately n'atajja ku internet bakolera video so that message batuukako mbe yandigenze n'ayogera nabo privately. So munange ye Abba Marcus engeri gye yamuzeemu yagambye buno n'ekisooka ye tamumanyi tamulabangako n'agamba abantu nga Sendi bebamu in case taata we oba afunye obuzibu bwonna bebamu abajja ovaayo bagambe buno family ya Kamiliyoni yonna tewali muntu yenna yavaayo n'ayogera ku nsonga za Kamiliyoni kati kyokka avuddeyo azoogerako ate amugamba mbuno teyandivuddeyo mu public n'azoogerako yandiyogedde nabo privately era nagenda mu maaso n'agamba mbuno ye okola video n'agiteekayo teyagiteekayo mbuno ayagala abantu baveeyo bagireactingeko bamuwe amagezi era singa yali ayagala endowooza z'abantu abalala mbu teyanditaddeyo video yandize n'ababuuza bannange mumpe ku ndowooza zammwe naye ye video yagiteekayo nga video eyina ensonga ng'ayagala taata we afune obuyambi ajanjabwe oba akyuseemu ne mu mbeera ze naye simbu yagikola mbuno abantu nga Sendi baveeyo bamuwe baleete opinions zaabwe baleete endowooza zaabwe buno bagezeeko okumuparentinga n'agamba Sendi si taata we ate si maama we so tasobola kuvaayo n'agenda ku TV nono ye Abba yabadde alowooza mbuno Sendi yali ku TV zino national TV tamanyi mbuno yali ku YouTube channel ya Kasuku live n'agamba mbuno omuntu agenda atya ku TV n'ayogera ebyo ebigambo byonna agezaako okumbulirira like okumuparentinga ng'ate si maama we si taata we namugamba obwo obuyinza tabuyina so bamikwano kambeere nga mbalekerako video waneeno mubyewulirire nga bwe byabadde so bamikwano video eno mubeere bulungi mweraba.
I hope you get a chance to see this. Just like you don't care about what people like me, if at all I'm also involved in your rant,
you're not involved,
say or think about you. To the contrary, I care about what you say. And this is your message. One, you raised a very pertinent issue. Thank you very much, young man. Two, the issue you raised about your dad. Thank you for one reason. Yes, so many people have thought about it. So many people have the same feelings as you, but we have all let you down by not addressing the issue. I have a bone to pick with you over the following issues. Please don't address your family issues in the public. You are playing in the public gallery. Trust me, it will come back and haunt you. 2, it is better to address your parents privately. I'm sure you've told your mom.
Alright.
Hey guys.
Look, this is what I have to say about this. Hold up. This is what I have to say about this. Alright, y'all ready? Alright, first of all, I'm speaking about this in general, not just about Mr. Sendi that we were watching right now. Right? The problem with me being a public figure and my family being in the spotlight is that everything we do or any individual out my family does, people like this feel like they have the authority to give their 2 cents and their opinions. I didn't put out my video asking for opinions. If I was asking for opinions, I would not have put that video out. You know what I'm saying? I didn't post that video asking that, oh, I need all these TV presenters to come and tell me what exactly to do now that my dad's doing this, now that my dad's doing this. What am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to do this? Am I supposed to do this? Am I supposed to do this? He's not my father. He's not my mother. You know what I'm saying? He didn't raise me. None of that. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why he feels the need to go onto what's it called? Onto live television as well. You know what I'm saying? Go onto live television as well and feel the need to start parenting me. You know what I'm saying? And then he talks about that things that happen in family matters should be solved within the family. You know what I'm saying? This is what I have to say about that. Right? These are the same people, right? God forbid, I still need my father on this earth. I love my father to death. Me and my dad have a love-hate relationship. That's just how it is with sons and fathers. I love my father to death. You know what I'm saying? God forbid that something happens to my dad tomorrow. Oh, the family didn't say nothing. The family was quiet. The family didn't do nothing. Blah 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 blah. You know what I'm saying? Like these are the people that have so much to say but will not do nothing. Has anybody seen him visit my dad in the hospital? That's a better question. That's the question that we should be asking. Has anybody seen him walk into the hospital and visit my father? But he wants to touch on family matters to do with children that are not his. I've never met him in my life. I've never met him in my life. But these people feel the need to come and start directing me of how to go about what I'm doing, you know what I'm saying? Let me tell y'all something, bro. The difference between me and Mr. Sendi, respectfully, is that he will never be able to understand my position. You know what I'm saying? This is someone that got the spotlight. By the way, in the most respectful way possible, this is the first time I'm ever hearing about this guy. You know what I'm saying? I don't know who he is. I don't know where he's from. I don't know what he does. Right? And that's none of my business. Right? If I'm going to come on here onto the internet and talk to my people, first off, he clearly misunderstood the message I was trying to convey. You know what I'm saying? Clearly misunderstood what I was trying to say. And then he's going to address me on what's it called? On public television for the whole country to see. You know what I'm saying? Which is not fair to me. You know what I'm saying? Because when I spoke about the issues connecting with my dad, I didn't send no shots. All I asked for was, what's it called? Attention to this and this, and make sure that my father gets the help that he needs.
Uncle Bajo, salamu alaikum. Uncle Bajo, navone kugamba. Ojifana na. Novuma, ngaze sikufa. ne Abba Marcus mayanja outa America omulidde nga atandika agambye gwe wale tolina kusuka lunaku lwa Monday agambye wale tolina kusuka lunaku lwa Monday n'agamba yeewunyiza okulaba nga wasusse olwe Monday n'atugamba abakatuliki bonna bakoze loosi mu ggwanga babadde bakwesunze Abba Marcus mayanja kuba okitegedde nenga anko bajjo mwana agambye gwe twategeera luzungu agambye obuzibu obwaliwo English was the problem n'atugamba ne statement gye wakoze eya father treatment nenga anko bajjo salamu alaikum wekanyini watuva n'otugamba Kamiri mulwadde ate n'ovuma omwana eyaleeta konsaani eyo eggwanga oditegeera omwana Abba ono Abba asinga kamiliyoni obwanirule kubanze mu Uganda omuntu gwe mmanyi ali anirule kamiliyoni oyo kamiliyoni anirule oza bubwani yali agamba baani bo ali originanirule naye ate ono Abba asinga ku kitaawe asinga koloza laki Uncle Peter yaliddamu ye Uncle Peter yategeera nti wano wenziramu omwana ayinza obutatutaliza ate oba kyani ekyatumuza Uncle Wizo salamu alaikum omanyi Uncle Wizo nkwagala nnyo kyova olaba Abba sangala akuddemu jagala Abba atulekaawo naye nga Uncle Wizo njagala onyumirwa America Uncle bajjo omukubire kasimu omunnyonnyole Abba byali mu kwogera ayinza okuba tannabitegeera